Hey guys, this is Bryan with Vapor Hunting Technologies. We're going to be going over a very important question actually that's asked pretty often. And that question is there anything that'll allow my compressor to operate with the unit at a lower CFM? And when I say CFM, standard, our units operate between 20 to 30 CFM. But we have those who have smaller compressors, and we do offer a solution to that. That solution will allow you to operate between 5 to 15 CFM actually. We sell a conversion kit for $45. Now this is relatively cheap compared to going out and getting a new compressor. Huge saver factor right there. But it's our air jet and our boron carbide tip that'll allow this conversion to take place. If you also have any questions, drop those comments below. We're here, we're listening to you guys. Also give us a call at 828-202-5563. Boom.